Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to do the final task on Merge Everyday Bro project. So on task 5 it states, on the chart Everyday Bro chart sheet, insert a chart title above the chart at the top of the plot area. Display the percentage values as data labels to the right of each data bar. So how would I do that is first I'll go to chart Everyday Bro. From there, I'll go to chart design. On my chart layout ribbon, I'm going to go to add chart element, and go over to chart title, and click above chart. Then for question number 2, it states, display the percentage values as data labels to the right of each data bar. So how I would do that is go over to quick layout, go over to layout 4, and over here it says data labels outside end. So click over to layout 4, and that is how you complete task number 5. Hope this is helpful and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.